What's good, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. This way I give you guys all the hottest and newest potential gems in the crypto space. From altcoins to meme coins, you name it, we're checking it out on the channel. Pepe fam, Pepe looking like it's ready to break out and shatter the crypto space once again and break records in the crypto space once again. So I gotta give you guys this quick update video, man. I don't have much time today to get record and go into more detailed type of format videos. But I just had to cover it because, we got this move happening for Pepe. And, you won't want to miss this move, guys. Up 6.4%, on the 7 day. You can see it's coiling up, guys. Look at this chart. You can see from trading view. This is the 1 hour chart. It's coiling up, ready to break these previous highs, man. Once it breaks these previous resistance levels from here, it's gonna be flying just like it did back here, man. So I'm telling you guys, you won't want to miss this move for Pepe. This is one of the projects, like I said before, that's gonna absolutely crush it going into the next bull cycle, because a lot of people in Shiba and Doge are underwater. There's a lot of bag holders. There's a lot of people that's burnt out from Shiba and Doge, right? Not saying they won't perform well, but I think Pepe is gonna outperform a lot of projects in my opinion. Obviously I'm not a financial advisor, guys, but yeah, guys, Pepe looking very strong, looking very bullish here. We'll see what happens going into this week. I did a poll saying, guys, this week could be bullish because the Bitcoin leverage ETF is going live, and we could see Bitcoin and Ethereum already starting to flip bullish, man. You could see the change, right? The green is happening real quick for Bitcoin and Ethereum, and this week could be very bullish. So Pepe will be very bullish as well, man. As we can see, Bitcoin looking ready for that breakout. I got a line drawn, so let's see if my line plays out. This is just me playing around on the stream, but yeah, I got a line drawn. We go see, man. But yeah, you can see if Bitcoin starts to break out from here, expect Pepe is gonna follow, man. I'm telling you guys. But yeah, again, can't really have let the video go for too long today. I got caught up with all kinds of different stuff, but I still gotta get these videos out, man. So please, if you can, like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. From Rad Hamez, plan your Pepe accordingly, don't get left behind. That is facts. From Peck, Gemini, and Pepe, shout out to Gemini for showing so much love to Pepe. That's absolutely amazing, guys, because guess what? It's just Coinbase, man. That really is Coinbase and Robinhood. That's all that's really left for Pepe as far as like tier 1 exchange listings or big exchange listings. And I'm telling you, when the volume starts to flow in for Pepe like it did in the past, when it was running to 1.7 bill market cap, it's gonna start doing it once again, guys. So I'm telling you, don't fade this move, man. Eternal Death, let LFG, Pepe currently looking to make a move. Yep, exactly, man. You could already see it in the charts, guys. You could already see it. Pepe's looking super bullish. It's holding up better than a lot of other altcoins are. It's making this move. It's looking for that breakout. I just had to bring it to y'all attention, man. But like I said, the newer projects with price discovery, with better price discovery, the projects that haven't been through a bull run before, more than likely will perform better because there's not a ton of bag holders that are underwater. So as soon as the project starts to make moves up, people are selling because they were underwater for so long, right? Pepe isn't one of those projects because it's still very new, and again, it got a huge community, huge amount of people talking about it. Every time I'm scrolling through Twitter, like, it just continues to grow and grow and grow. And this project is one of the most iconic memes ever, right? When you first got into crypto, or if you've not even crypto, outside of crypto, you have seen the Pepe frog plastered everywhere. Now this one, there have been many Pepe coins that launched before this one, but this is the one that stuck, right? So this is the one that you can't fade, right? This is the one that everyone is talking about. This is the one that is it's a $600 million market cap asset, right? Yeah, $636 million market cap asset with $208 million in 24-hour trade volume. This is the one you can't ignore, guys. This is the one that could potentially make, people super rich, man. 100x from here, 300x from here, 500x, I wouldn't rule it out at all. I wouldn't rule out these kinds of crazy gains, because the next bull cycle, remember, Ethereum, Bitcoin are gonna go past all-time highs in the next bull cycle. This next bull cycle may be the biggest we've ever gotten, and it's gonna be absolutely bonkers. So don't miss it. Get some exposure to some meme coins as well as altcoins. Obviously, you stack your altcoins, but get some exposure to meme coins as well, because you know, if you could go back in time and buy shiba and doge early, you would do that. If you could buy shiba and doge in the bear market, which we're still in the bear market, the bull market is kind of just getting started. So yeah, if you could go back in time, buy shiba and doge in the bear market, you would do that. So I would say, you know, not financial advice, but get some exposure to meme coins. Pepe is one of them. I really do believe will crush it. Thank y'all so much for watching, guys. Also, please join the Patreon. I personally recommend my Crypto Elite tier. You get access to my buy alerts, sell alerts, and my private Discord. I just posted a buy alert, guys, for a good altcoin, very great altcoin. I know it's gonna crush it. At least a 5 to 10x is on the table for it. It may take time, but I'll be reporting back to you guys with that one. So yeah, join the Patreon for plays like that, so you could keep taking W's and keep adding to your bags, guys. And as always, thank y'all so much for watching. Like, comment, subscribe, hit that notification bell. Pepe to the freaking moon. And I'll catch y'all in the next one.